I'm so sitting there rusted and alone. Old lawnmower's free to work at home. Brass-stained memories of summers gone by, now cursed relics under the open sky. 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road. Once they were kings, now they're just a heavy load. But there's a charm in their wear, a story to be told, of 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road. Some folks see trash, but I see gold. With a little love, they could be bold. Fix them up, give them a brand new start. These old machines still got a lot of heart. 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road. Once they were kings, now they're just a heavy load. But there's a charm in their wear, a story to be told, of 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road. So if you see them, don't just pass them by. There's a beauty in the broken, a twinkle in their eye. Take them home, give them a second chance, and watch them roar back to life in a wild dance. Hey, 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road. Once they were kings, now they're just a heavy load. But there's a charm in their wear, a story to be told, of 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road. Yeah, 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road. With a little bit of love, they can lighten your load. So don't just drive by, take a moment to behold those 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road. Yeah. Yeah, 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road. With a little bit of love, they could lighten your load. So don't just drive by, take a moment to behold those 3 old junk lawnmowers on the side of the road.